What's the meaning of Crisco? Crisco. Crisco.
Crisco. Crisco. Crisco is a brand of vegetable shortening that was first introduced in the United States in 1911. It became widely popular as an alternative to animal fats such as lard and butter. Crisco is made from soybean oil, fully hydrogenated palm oil, and other ingredients. The resulting product is a solid fat that can be used in baking and frying. Its neutral flavor and high smoke point make it a versatile ingredient in many recipes. Additionally, it is often used in soap making and as a lubricant.